Good morning, ECISD elementary school students and parents. If you want to know what's on our menu, then we got you covered. As we start off our week with Monday, our breakfast will be a strawberry pancake bowl, fruit, juice, or milk, and we'll have a lunch of winter-shaped chicken nuggets, a cornbread muffin, green peas, golden corn, fruit, and milk. Then Tuesday, we'll start off our morning with a breakfast of a chocolate muffin, fruit, juice, or milk, and our lunch will be spaghetti with meat sauce, garlic toast, steamed broccoli, dill-seasoned carrots, fruit, and milk. Then on Wednesday, our breakfast will be a biscuit with pork sausage, fruit, juice, or milk, and our lunch will be a hamburger or cheeseburger, burger salad, potato tater tots, fruit, and milk. And on Thursday for breakfast, we will have vanilla yogurt with gingerbread cookies, fruit, juice, or milk, and for lunch, we'll have chicken and cheese quesadillas, homemade fideo, seasoned pinto beans, lettuce and tomato salad, fruit, and milk. As we end our week with Friday, we'll have a breakfast of assorted cereal bowls, fruit, juice, or milk, and then for lunch, we'll have a chopped brisket sandwich, baked beans, potato smiles, fruit, and milk. If you want weekly updates on our elementary school food menus, then check out all of our social media platforms at Edinburgh CISD.